Here's a 2016 Acura RLX. Enduring performance in every endeavor, the RLX is the best of the best. Harmoniously shift with the 6-speed sequential Sport Shift automatic transmission and turn corners sharply with precision all-wheel steer. Light up the sky with dual eye LED headlights. The multi-view rear camera is optimal for positioning perfectly into any parking space. Control the Acura navigation system and Tri-Zone automatic climate control without ever lifting a finger with the voice recognition system.
Never feel lost again with the navigation system. Heads-up display puts the important information in your line of sight for a safer drive. Negotiating traffic has never been easier thanks to the blind spot indicator.
Never settle when you can have it all. This is the Acura you've been dreaming about.
Pohanka Acura is a great place to buy a car. We're conveniently located at 13911 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway, Route 50 in Chantilly.